The Four Noble Truths. The first noble truth is life is difficult, life is painful, life is unsatisfactory. The Buddha used the word dukkha to describe what it is that we feel in our day-to-day lives. He said that we are unhappy because life is unsatisfactory. The Buddha was like a scientist. Like today we have social scientists. He was like what you would call a social scientist of his day. He looked around and he saw that people were unhappy, but he just couldn't figure it out. He couldn't figure out why. Because the Buddha was born a prince, he had never really experienced life the way we experience it. He had never gone through the things that we go through. He had never, for instance, seen a sick person until eventually he did. He had never, for instance, seen a dead person until eventually he did. And he had never seen how ancient Indian society treated its elderly until he did. And because he didn't have the same life experiences that the rest of us do, the Buddha had a unique perspective. He could look at our lives from above and diagnose what was wrong with us. And that's really how the Four Noble Truths are set up. They're set up like a diagnosis. This is what's wrong with you. You are feeling unsatisfied because life cannot satisfy you. Life, by its very nature, is painful, difficult, and unsatisfactory. That's what the Buddha said. The question is not whether or not that's true. It's obvious that life itself is difficult. I mean, look at where we all are. We're stuck in our houses. At best, we're stuck in our houses. Some of us have a much more difficult time. Some of us don't have the choice to stay at home, whether we are medical professionals or delivery drivers. We don't have the choice to stay at home. We have to be out here serving our community. But at best, we're staying at home, watching a lot of TV, dealing with our families in a way that we probably never had to deal with them before, seeing all of our immediate family day in, day out, moment to moment. It's lovely. It's wonderful until it's not. And that's what unsatisfactory means. It means that it's lovely. It's wonderful until it's not. Life is lovely. Life is wonderful until it's not. I said in the last video that I would tell you something about happiness. So this is my gift to you. If you want to be happy in any situation, practice gratitude. That's the truth. The truth is I'm going to be making a ton of videos about Buddhism and how to be happy. But all you really need to do is practice gratitude. So you never have to watch any more of my videos. Practice gratitude. And I'm going to even tell you how. I want you to find a journal. Here's mine. And I want you to write 3 things that you are grateful for every day. Every day, take a moment, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They might slap you in the face. Your kid might smile at you in a certain way, and you're like, bam, I'm really grateful for that. Here's the trick, though. They have to be 3 different things. So on Monday, 3 things, Tuesday, 3 things. And the truth is that on Tuesday, you'll still be grateful for the 3 things that you wrote on Monday, but I still want you to write 3 other things on Tuesday. And at the end of the week, 7 days, I want you to have 21 things. I will have 21 things too, and I will only write mine from this apartment. I won't go outside. I will look around this apartment, and I will write 21 things that I am grateful for, and I will share them with you in less than 21 days. In less than 7 days, so that you can see the process. So we're going to gratitude journal together. That should be fun. Thank you for this. Thank you all for, so many people watched my last video. My head is a little spinny. Thank you. Thank you all. I want to throw out a couple of names of people who shared my video. Kedra, thank you. Danny, thank you. And always, thank you, Marcy. Thank you.